welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reacting to a cup of tea, making chicken with power air fryer. So just stay tuned. So I'm gonna start.
Alright, restart. Hey everybody! Welcome back to my channel! Welcome. Yay. Okay, so as you can see in the title, today I'll be attempting to cook a whole chicken. I've never cooked a whole chicken before, that's one. And second, I've never used the air fryer before. But I saw this method online. I was just going through to find some different chicken recipes, how to do the whole chicken thing. And I saw that they said that we could use an air fryer. My oven is not working right now, so that's the main reason why I'm even going to attempt using this air fryer. I will have it and I hardly use it, so might as well put it to some good use. So let's get into it.
Guys, let me just say this introduction or intro is so nice. It's so, with a cup of tea, it's so nice. Yeah.
Okay, so first I'm going to get my whole chicken. I pre-seasoned it with, you know, so the season can do its thing. So yeah, I don't know if you can see. So yeah, come make a mess. So yes, I pre-seasoned my chicken. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I pre-seasoned it, but right now I'm just going to add a little more niceness to it before I put it in the air fryer. The air fryer is behind me because I think that's where I'm going to use it. I don't think I'm going to let it stay up here. I could though, but let's see how that goes. So yes, I'm just going to take this out. My hands are already washed, so I'm just going to get the chicken and put it on the cutting board and mix up all my nice seasonings. Or I should mix the seasoning first before we put it on a cutting board. Yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to mix the seasoning first. Alright, so what I saw them do in their recipe, although I'm Jamaican, I'm ready to follow them recipes too, but they added it to oil, and I guess because it's an air fryer, you don't actually dip chicken in oil. So I think that's the reason why they put the oil in the seasoning, so it can actually heat and everything, you know, cookiana, yeah. So I'm just going to add my vegetable oil. This is not olive oil. I have olive oil, but I ain't going to use it now. This has too much oil. One look at baby chicken. Guys, I don't use measurements. I just let the spirit guide me.
The spirit?
But yeah, I'm not going to use this much oil. So I'm not sure about too much too. If I need more, I need more. But for right now, see, look how I test the waters. We're not going to overdo it because we're not professionals. Yes, so this is I don't, what kind of cooking show I could call this now? A Triatine cooking show, yeah. That's the name of my cooking series, Triatine Cooking Show. So we're not professionals over here. I don't even care how you guys do it when you do it. I'm just going to do it how I think, keyword think it should. Yeah. Anyways, gonna add my cool runnings. Can you see? All purpose. Just a little. Just a little bit. You know, just a little. Just a little. A little. Just a little. And I'm also going to add my Cool Runnings Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. Can you see that? As I said, just a little we're adding, just a little too.
No man. As she said, it is much.
I'm also going to add my spice. Can you see in my container? Okay. Good. I'll put into that. So yeah, that's all stirred up. Oh, not to mention the pepper. I'm gonna add a little cayenne pepper to that. I have all of the nice already room I have something when you see them I use. I'm gonna have them something there. So we just have to make this what we're having. Right, and we'll get my chicken. Sorry if my head's cut off. I'm having technical difficulties. I don't really know to upload the camera so that everything shows. Alright, so with this chicken now, we look up our chicken. The nice season. Sorry, using my brush. Just gonna pierce it with it. Yeah. Oh, if you don't see me adding salt, I already added salt, and my dad doesn't really eat a lot of salt. So that's the main reason why you didn't see me put salt in here, because I put salt on it already and I don't want him to say, you know, too salty. He doesn't eat salt. So yeah. So if you don't see salt, alright, don't come.
Okay, we get it.
That's
We get it.
already there.
But she a baby. Baby tia girl.
Let's get that back. I'm going to try to give you guys a closer. She doesn't look bad. So we're gonna get the air fryer ready.
That chicken looks amazing.
Okie dokie, so just giving you guys a close look. I don't know why this air fryer started because but yeah. So 400 for 60 minutes. We need to stop this. Yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a closer look at the chicken. Yeah, tell me if it looks eatable. I can't tell it can't really eatable now. See, my sister was raw state, but yeah.
I feel like she sees not nice.
I don't like that. He uses black. Oh my God! No! Brown sugar. He uses brown sugar. Unfortunately, we don't have any, so the white one will have to work. And so, yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay. Alright. So first for this ingredient, we're gonna use onions, garlic. I have my honey. I have my mustard, vinegar. My cayenne pepper. He also uses black pepper, but because we don't have the black pepper, kind of work. And I'm gonna be adding browning in there to give it the color because I don't have the molasses and all of that. So I'm gonna use the browning, the sugar, oil, of course. Oh, and the important thing. Don't mind that. Ketchup. Or ketchup. Okie dokie. Oh, sorry. Okie dokie. So we're gonna start. By cutting up our seasoning and then we move to the pot. So let's do that first. cut up. Finally something when I drop off. Alright, so now that my garlic and onion is cut, I'm going to check the air fryer and see if it's time to turn.
Top chef in the kitchen.
Okay, so we have hit the 30-minute mark.
30 minutes.
Actually 29 minutes now, so I'm gonna check on it. Guys, oh my gosh. So this is how the chicken is looking right now. I'm gonna turn it. There we go. So I'm back again, turn the chicken. And now it's time to put the our sauce. Oh, I'm actually watching the video as I go along.
Serious?
Yeah. Okay, so for the sauce, they say you should put the pot on medium heat. That's what I did. And first we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil in our pot. So now that we added our 2 tablespoons of oil, we're going to add our onion as well. And also I'm going to add the links to where I found the recipe in the description box below, so you guys can probably do it the right way. Okay, so
one man
alright, so you make sure you stir. Right now, while stirring, I'm going to add my sugar to this. Alright, so now that I've added my sugar, I'm just going to stir it around. Alright. So now while that is okay, so now that is bubbling, I'm going to add my mustard, and that is a 1 tablespoon of mustard.
Interesting.
Now we're going to add our 1/4 cup of vinegar. Okay guys, so now I'm going to add the 1 cup of ketchup to this mixture. Okay, so this is my 1 cup of ketchup. So now we're just stirring. So now that the sauce okay, so now that the sauce is finished, what we're going to do now is that we're going to blend to get all the chunks out so everything can be smooth and nice.
Okay. Sauce looks nice, but the mustard, I don't know. I would have to taste it
So now that it's blended, I'm going to pour the mixture.
Oh,
you can see it's still hot. See the steam coming out. So now we're gonna pour the sauce out. I just tasted it, and let me tell you, it never did have the nice, so I honestly didn't expect it to taste like this. It tastes really good, but yeah, this is the consistency. So everything is smooth out. So what we're gonna do, just to give it more flavor, we're gonna leave it on the stove for about well, he says you should leave it for about 30 to 45 minutes, but we're not gonna do that because we're gonna put it on the chicken and let the chicken, you know, cook with it on it. So we're gonna leave this for about 10-15 minutes, and in the meantime I'm gonna show you the chicken, and then we're gonna move to the rice because it's a full meal we're making today. Okay guys, so here is the chicken.
Don't let me feel hungry.
Yeah, this is nice. I stole a little piece because you know I have to taste it, and surprisingly it tastes good so far. So this is done, and now we're gonna just move on to the rice. In the meantime, we're gonna let this stay because we're gonna wait for the sauce to go on it. And yeah, check you guys back when I'm ready for the rice. Hey guys, we're back, and it's time to cook the rice for the chicken. Okay, so because it's just 4 of us, I normally use at least 2 to 3 cups of this with the rice. So we're gonna wash our rice. First, we are going to wash our rice. If the light is glaring through, I'm sorry, and the sun will come out right now. But yeah, we're gonna wash our rice first. The real star of the show is the chicken right
the real star is you.
Let's just add our salt. Now that this side is when I eat it, it looks sexy though. No, my chicken don't look nice, guys. Tell me. I'm gonna put this now on this side for about 5 minutes.
Oh,
and let it cook.
slippery.
And then, so I'll put it back. Okay. So the sorry.
Oh,
The 5 minutes is up. So now it's time to put some salt on the other side. Okay. Turn it down.
Guys, I literally just zoom in and the chicken looks so sexy oh, that minute maid. I don't know how minute maid has those. I'd like to try it. Bigger V.
Here's a closer look at my chicken.
Ooh. Yes.
Me know in the comments below what you guys think of this chicken.
She showed it. You
Let me just
cup of tea.
She tried a thing and it never come out bad. Oh my gosh, I messed up.
As usual.
Girl try a thing, and but not lie, the air fryer, it did better than I expected. I'm not even gonna lie.
I'm surprised.
Guys, let me know what you think. Mama.
Your chicken look nice. It look like.
So now that the chicken is ready,
But I eat it right now. I'm eating right now.
Yes, with all her beauty and goodness. And let me check on the rice.
You outdid yourself today. Honestly, I didn't expect this from you, but you did good. Power everything. Really good.
Okay guys, so that's my dinner for today. Please let me know what you think in the comments below and tell me how you think I did. Did I did good?
Pretty well.
What did you think?
Shelly.
But please remember to like, comment,
Of course.
share, tell a friend,
But
tell our sister, brother, and to them, everybody in the world works. And I will see you in the next video.
Bye. She did pretty well. I must say that chicken looks very delicious and I would eat it even right now. So congrats, a cup of tea, you outdo yourself. That is amazing. So when you're ready to come cook for me, you can come. I'm gonna stop. Guys, that's the end of my reaction video. I hope you like it. Like, comment and subscribe. Remember to turn on that post notification bell and give me a shout out. Spam that comment section. Let me know what you think of me reacting to a cup of tea video. Go on our channel, subscribe, support her. Bye. Love you guys.